In the last lesson, you learned how to make a roof overhang on a ranch house. Now we're going to do the same thing, only we're going to do it on an L-shaped house. So this here is our L-shaped house. Zoom in a little bit so you can see it closer. We're going to start off the same way. We're going to start on this side of the house, and you're going to line your ruler up with the top of the roof, go into the left vanishing point, and I'm going to go from this right peak and I'm going to extend my line to the right. So if you look, it overhangs a little bit from this peak. Let me draw that in a little bit darker. However far out we want it to overhang, all you're going to do is draw a vertical line down this line you just drew. This is going to be our new peak of our roof. You're going to go from the top of this vertical line to your third vanishing point, and you're going to draw a line down to the left. We're going to do the same thing from the bottom of that vertical line. Draw a line down. Right. On your overhang, it also hangs down over this part of the house. So we're just going to extend this bottom part of the roof to the left vanishing point. I'm just going to pull it down a little bit longer and draw a line back to the left. Where this angled line and this angled line connect, I'm going to draw a vertical line straight down to this bottom angled line, and that's going to create my fascia. So I'm going to just go from the bottom of this line to the left vanishing point. I'm going to finish off this side. Because it's so close, I'm going to go parallel. So I'm going to follow the right angle of this peak. I'm going to slide it up to the bottom of this line, vertical line, and then slide it up to the top of that vertical line. So if you look at it, I went from the top of this straight down and the bottom of this straight down, parallel to this slope. This ends by going to the bottom of this side of your roof to the right vanishing point. And where it hits this line, I'm going to make a little mark, and I'm going to connect these two lines with a vertical line, right where that mark crossed. I'm going to take this back to the left vanishing point. And this all gets shaded really dark. Okay, to finish this side, you're going to have to take this slope of your roof and touch it to this top angled line. So I'm just going to bring this slope of my roof down a little bit more until it touches this top line, and then I'm going to make a vertical line, and that's creating your corner, which will change the direction of your roof. So right where the top of that vertical line is, I'm going to go to my right vanishing point, draw a line to the left. Do the same thing at the bottom. So this is extending the roof down over which would be my garage side. And I'm going to repeat. I'm going to go to the top of this roof. I'm going to line it up with my right vanishing point. And I'm going to draw a line to the left. However far I want it to stick over, I'm going to draw a vertical line. Now the height of this vertical line is determined by these lines right here that you already drew. So you're going to go to your fourth vanishing point, and you're going to line up the top of this vertical line to the top of that line and draw a vertical line down. And then you're going to do the same thing from the bottom. Where this bottom of this vertical line is, you're going to line it up to your fourth vanishing point until you touch that vertical line. And that's the end of there. You're going to repeat on the left side with a parallel line. Parallel to the left of your slope of your roof, go to the bottom line. And parallel to the top. How far down it goes is determined by this roof over here. We're going to take that back to the left vanishing point where it touches this bottom line, make a mark. Connect with the vertical line. and then it goes back behind your house, going to the right vanishing point. So this gets all shaded, and then you're going to erase your garage roof line here, and you'll erase the house part over here. And that's your overhang for an L-shaped house.